Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to make your Rednote account private. So if you're worried for your privacy on a Rednote app, you can easily make your account private. So first you have to open up the app, you will get into home page. Now from the bottom, you have to select this right option, which is me. Once you click onto this option, you will get into your profile. So just simply tap onto me and you will get to this page. Once you're there, you will see different options. On the left top, you will see three lines. You can click onto it to go to the settings. Simply click onto it, and at the bottom, you will see the icon for settings. Click onto this option and then you will get into your app settings, or you can see the account settings. Once you're there, you will see this option privacy settings. Click onto it, and at first you will see this option protection mode. This is your privacy mode. You just have to simply enable it, and after that your account will get private. Once the option gets red, that means your account is now private. So to make it more private, here we have this option, which is my collection. It is now set on public. You can click onto it and you can disable this option. By doing that, you will also private your collections. So that's how you can private your account on Rednote. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you so much for watching the video.